In this chat, we're talking about what happens when your new stairs end up off-center after you agreed to add a foot longer on each side, and whether that's something to stress over or just roll with. So here's the deal. When you ask for an extra foot on both sides of your stairs, but the original stairs were centered differently, one side can end up looking bigger or more stretched out, especially if the base is offset. That's kinda normal because the contractor's working from the original setup and just adding length without moving everything. If the posts aren't moved yet, it might still be possible to tweak things, but sometimes shifting posts means more work and cost, so you gotta weigh that. If it looks awkward now, going for a wider door frame and door is a solid backup plan, it can help balance out the visual and make everything feel centered again without tearing down what's been done. When you chat with your contractor, be clear about how you want the final look to feel. They might have some easy fixes or suggestions based on what's already installed. Also, keep in mind that stairs with slight asymmetry aren't usually a big deal once the whole space comes together with paint and trim. Honestly, sometimes these minor quirks give a home character instead of being a problem. Just try not to overthink it too much, because most of us notice these things way more than guests do. One of the biggest mistakes people make with stair projects is not double-checking measurements and visual balance before work starts, which leads to surprises like off-center stairs. Another common issue is waiting too long to communicate concerns with the contractor. Catching stuff early can save headaches and extra costs. Lastly, people often assume minor asymmetry can't be fixed without major demolition. It usually can be, with adjustments like trimming or changing door sizes, so don't panic if things look a bit off at first. BigHomeProjects.com is a great resource if you ever need to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and can help get your home projects done right. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, the site makes it easy to find new clients and grow your business without all the usual hassle.